Hello friends, in today's video we're going to be fitting this shower screen. Well friends, this is the shower screen. As I opened it, it came with two strips. The two strips goes one on each side. So the one goes here and the other one goes here like this. So in order to install the shower screen, we're just gonna fit the side strips, two of them. Each of them have got three holes. So just gonna, I've drilled the holes, so I'm just gonna push the wall plugs in. So three of them, okay? Three wall plugs. Just gonna do the wall plugs on this side now. Okay, so I'm just gonna slide this side of the frame into the rail here. This side is all in. Now we're gonna do this side. Just gonna make sure that it's level on both sides. And that's all nicely secured. I'm just gonna put these finisher caps, one on each side. Right friends, now that I've fitted the shower screen, I'm just gonna slide in this rubber seal so that the water doesn't come out. And this rubber seal goes on this side of the frame. Okay, so it's just gonna slide in from the top. Okay. This is to prevent the water from leaking out. There we go, that's that done. Right friends, just gonna apply the silicone now. So we're using bathroom anti-mold silicone, white color. Okay, so this is the Unibond white silicone. There you go, friends. That's the silicone I've applied all around the frame so that the water doesn't go out from the sides. Right, all nicely done. Thank you very much for watching the video.